Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Act 1 with Runway. In order to do so, here we are at runwayml.com and we're all logged in. And what we're looking for is found in a couple of places. First off, if you scroll down and you find the video generative session right here, you can click on that. Otherwise, also down here under tools, you can click where it says generate video. We'll go ahead and click that there. And then from here, you can see we have a few options on the left-hand side. We're going to go ahead and select Act 1. And then from here, we want to first add our driving performance. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got a clip here that's ready to go. So this is just a quick little recording that I did for the purpose of this video here. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to bring in our image that we're going to be using to apply the voice performance and facial performance to our AI generated character. So then we're going to bring in that. We're going to upload that. Let's see, will that just do it for us? No, we got to click upload. And then we're going to bring that in and we can just drop it in. And I'll just hit play here really quick so that you can see, well, that's got to think about that for a moment. So we'll let that, okay. So just so you can see what the original performance is.
All right, I'll do it. I'll take the job.
Okay, and then we have our AI generation here, video generation. Let's just hit play on that. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, kind of small. We can embiggen it, but that's okay. We're not going to do that. I'm just going to click generate here so that you can see for yourself what the results are like. So that's going to just take a moment here. We can see that it's working on it. So we'll just hit pause here really quick and allow that to finish. Okay, so that's all done and we can see the results here. That took about a minute or two. It wasn't too long. So let's go ahead and hit play and we'll see the results.
All right, I'll do it. I'll take the job.
Okay, so you can see for yourself exactly how Act 1 with Runway works. It is incredibly powerful for AI filmmaking. You can take your performance and you can apply that on any image that you wish. And the implications there are really quite spectacular. So I'm very happy with the results there. Let's just look at that one more time.
All right, I'll do it. I'll take the job.
And you can just really see we've got some good eyebrow control there. Like it's just pretty much picking up from the original performance and applying that to the face. And really the results are quite stunning. So that gives you an idea of how Act 1 with Runway works. And also each generation costs 25 credits, which is not too bad. So I'm very pleased with those results. And this is definitely a tool that I'm going to be using more in the future. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.